Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Hey, it's here for yet in some na osofu bi several months ago was shenkom eka say Sir John obe free na MPP mpanyufo bebre na ebe free no osofu no wakasa na ase de osofu no kan bia no ebim enu ntisisi ana nkrofo ma na aso etiefo say and there your first time or subscribe na click the notification bell ne so oye ne say latest news bi aba onsa emeka mama wati ase say Ghana ha say sisi ano ebimu wo ho they don't believe in prophecy. But me, what I'll tell you is whether you want to believe in something or not, you not believing in it doesn't stop the fact say ebia adie no it exists. Obetumi aka say who you when you so say adie we there there's nothing like prophecy. Who you when you so no it is wo and away you when you so. Akwa say coronavirus. Obi beka say ono de wogidi say coronavirus bia eni ho. You saying say wogidi say coronavirus eni ho na interest say in reality e bia coronavirus eni ho. Story bia na mete ma me fan film answer me the story aba. Story bia na mete abrante bia wo ye fitness influencer e wo USA. Yaka fitness influencer wo ye sa gym ne nyama no. Coronavirus by no can say yentro coronavirus bi eni ho. Endra abrante no onya coronavirus endra na wowu. Intinade ne de you getting it no and now you saying say eni ho no and interest say ade ne indeed there wo ho and I say indi ho eye wa adwen. I've told you me I believe in prophecies because of what I have seen in the lives of people. Prophecies be ensem bi esisi aye katro mo a wo mutu ho na mo a trese ni na ye hu say na ka de we esi ne krese we esi we media I'll tell you. Now, Osofu bia woye founder and general overseer of Asoy bia your friend Christ Fire Intercession Ministry. Wokumase. Your friend the Prophet Prince Obin Mensah. Na edin say me bo Prophet Prince Obin Mensah ya na nkofu bebre na enhu ne pakro. Edin ye tide friend no eye Jataba. Enti se what say Osofu bi we friend Jataba. E Osofu ni ye ka ne ho asemi. Osofu yi ahyenkom say ansa na yebedu election no 4 more MPP 4 ebewu na mebo mudin atrew mpanyifo pa o say MPP 4 mpanyifo ebe shock MPP 4 mo anhwe ya ansa na election ebedu no those 4 people will die. Na etie for unim asamo a ewo we hu ne say na medin kan trew no several months ago Osofu yi ebe kan say MPP by the end of the year no impenyu for 12 ebewu. That's some 6 months ago. 6 months ago and also for cast the same way. Say during the year 2020 MPP for impenyu for bako 12. Em said 12 you can do mienu. 12 en ebewu. Na 12 no and I was sha say when the crown ne de ebe sha ase eye Sir John. Waka 6 months ago and waka say Sir John ne de e na be sha ase nti sata na Sir John wonwu ye nti Sir John ni wo na be sha ase Sir John wo sha ase pe MPP mpanyifo e be sha ase se wo mu ewu ye ti hot wa e be ha ne se ne kre Sir John the film Sir John film we ye ye be ha ne se Nasara Wing MPP we film Nasara Wing ana ye be ka se the founder of Nasara we film abi ebe hu ane say infantiman na etiefo MPP parliamentary candidate of Yape Kusegu em say yenia Endra ye report ye say wonyaka akonhia efe no Abu Kamara wonyaka akonhia we free no papai akwotena em say radio station so some hours before okotena radio station so ewo ebusuan say ebusuan FM and I can say se nkrofo fi se oboa ende na answer na accident maybe si no o se nkrofo fi se oboa oye show no e we Busua FM no o se nkrofo fi se oboa ende a wo ka sei MPP panyi bi nso bewu na nkrofo ate ase se asemo a wo kan 6 months ago se MPP for bako 12 ebewu no omo na chese eko no nto kan ne nkrofo a wo mu njindi wo mu fi se agro ene se nwunue breaking news ye beti and say MPP parliamentary candidate Abus Kamara ewu nto omo wo mu tie program no e wo Busua FM no na mo ka se ye asemo papa ye kan die papa ne se ne kre nkrofo 12 na MPP for 12 na wo kan ebi mu ehu akwa ye hu adwuma e ma etu etwa na ono no wan ka se wo mo mbra ne ho no bo mpa ya mo o se sa nkrofo no mo won sofo kra no mo fa nko nsofo ne ho na nsofo ne bo mpa ya mo na ebeti akọ na wasanso aka 4 more people la wo se so mo anya ho hwe ya ye be ya se ebedu abato omre ne so no these 4 people will die na sa 4 people na tie 4 omuni majority leader Osei Mensa Bonsu wo se Osei Mensa Bonsu oka ho wanhwe ya obi free the current member for Bantama a member of parliament for Bantama we lose ni seat your friend Daniel Ochim Abuaje osi ono nso woka ho bi wanhwe ya ono nso be free owi no sanso Bob MP for Menchia North a friend Collins Owusu Amankwa osi wono nso owi no sanso Bob the almighty chairman won to me say yes chairman won to me nso e ka ho bi ana woka ho bi wanhwe ya ono nso obewu sa 4 strong people yi e wo MPP they are next in line intene na man crofo ka say ase papa yete na ho 6 months ago am obeka say John dey ye dey agro say John aba be film osanso ba radio so a walk e no kan say enden so obi be film eno so ye hu say we film nti wa ba beka eye chema hu tumi mu dey yi nkrofo ne be fa ne serious and now mo so mu de be di agro that one no one knows but the work can say eye nkrofo bi na eye spiritual things a wo mo dey rituals no ana ema MPP mpenyufo yi wo mu ewu saa no na wose nkrofo no won bo mudin won reveal their identity. It could be say eye nkrofo bi a wo mo awo MPP ni mu ana say nkrofo bi a wo mo ye ebia people without political links ana say nkrofo bi a wo mo ye nkrofo with political links. Na wose nini na eye rituals bi a wo mo akoye for 5 runabouts bako 5 and nkrofo ya akoye rituals ewo ho eye swame runabouts unzo say Chi Mensa Bonsu no swame ho no wo te sin nkrofo runabout a san nkrofo ita use super no makoye sa rituals no it is swame runabout Santasi runabout airport runabout Bekwai runabout ena Ahujo runabout also these are the 5 runabouts and nkrofo akoye rituals no Timo won paibo bi bo a me de whether you believe in this prophecy or not, whether me myself I believe in this prophecy or not, no, it is my own my own thoughts. Now for what I believe strongly, and I've said that on this platform. Embra shall say MPP, in fact both MPP and NDC womun krofu no me dem can bibio me can say womun fam brebi nto ho enchi womun yem kom no mun bom paye. Me, I didn't know of this prophecy. Sisia na mi hu prophecy. Sisia na mi hu story. Say osofo no de work ani me nso me de abramo. I didn't know of any prophecy, but me kra na me head the air course no. Me kra me to me point take I say that be the air course no, it is not normal. And the osofo is confirming said the air course no, it is not normal. Me dem a candidate that say MPP for ombeya wo mo campaign there yes but in Paibono so monya mfra for all you know and the crab man yakupo etie musufre na ebia election ne kra no na nka ebe ko the sideways bia na nka ebia kwama mu because ni ayen Paibo yo media maka media maka nti no asɛm a prophet Jataba walk no yes asɛm a prophet Jataba walk no nti no wono de waka wo si walking mo bi mbeka se ne na person mpanyifo yi ba ne ho no jiska dabi mpanyifo yi wo mu osi omunina wo spiritual fathers omunina wo nsofo a wo mu betumi abɔ mpa ya mo mu to mo nko san nsofo ne ho mo fa mba ne ho but omo person mo ba ne ho nso a wo mpo omo nti de da ono no mo nkyɛ mo adwo comment box ne mo me da ase